Hi, I'm Kanika Singhal from India, 38 years old. I'm an engineer and MBA and a self-taught artist. After serving my 6 years to an MNC, I quit my job and I am now pursuing my passion, that is art. I started my venture last year, Clay and Canvas. Now I'm going to tell you more about today my venture, that is Clay and Canvas. Yeah, it's not a particular type of art I do. Whatever I feel like, and I challenge myself that I can do that, I should do that. I just paint it on the canvas, and I do it with my full heart and hard work. And like in Clay and Canvas, I have my motto like it takes creativity and patience to make a masterpiece. So I follow that only. And if you see, there's a lot of variety in my art, and I feel like learning is a continuous process. So I'm still learning a lot of type of arts. I'm conducting a lot of workshops for everyone, so everyone can learn. Thank you. Yes, definitely it was difficult for me to decide to quit my job. But then once you follow your passion, then success also follows if you do it with full of your heart and hard work. So I believe in that, and I also got a full support from my family, especially my husband. So it was not that scary after I took my decision, and I didn't regret today also. I think the artist is in me since my childhood, as I have participated in competitions when I was below 5 years old, and I've grabbed second position in national level competition in India. And after that, also I participated in all kinds of art competitions and won many awards in India. Even I was working in the MNC, I also always participated in creative things like poster making competitions, and also came first in that. But the real meaning came into picture in 2019 when I started my venture Clay and Canvas. So it was like I was having a lot of time. I wanted to make my passion into a real, business. So it was in 2019. First ever painting I painted was the oil painting. It was not on a canvas, it was on a wooden plank, and I will definitely show you because I still have it because it is really close to my heart. So this is the painting. You can see it's a bird's nest, and we have a whole family here, male and female bird and the little birdies also there, and the nest is so beautiful. I still have it. I painted it when I was not married, and I still have it because it's really close to my heart. It was my first painting. Yeah, it's a very nice question. Clay and canvas because I wanted a name which denotes my business as a whole package. Like it not only deals with paintings, canvases, and canvases related to paintings like your acrylic paintings, oil paintings, and all the types of paintings. But clay is also there because we also teach the clay art. We recently we have a Ganesha Chaturthi festival in India. So I had a live session on that. We taught everyone. It was a free live session on Facebook. I taught the Ganesha idol how to make it through using the clay. So that's why I named my business Clay and Canvas. It denotes my whole business package. Yeah, my favorite piece of artwork. It's really difficult, but as I have done recent work on this Mughal art, which is just behind me, it has this one is my favorite piece because it has a lot of detailing, and it took me a lot of many days to complete it, and a lot of attention I have to give it to it. A lot of hard work is involved in it because all the detailing you see everywhere I have to make a detailed work in it. Um, so this one is my favorite piece of art. Every piece I create is very close to my heart, and because I put a lot of hard work and creativity and a lot of attention to it. But yes, when I finish my any piece, I am never satisfied because I think there is always a room for improvement in a painting. So, but I have to finish it in any case. So I cannot pinpoint any piece that it's not perfect, it's not that good, but because all my hard work is there. So it's in nature, I think, of an artist that he is or she is never finished and never satisfied with his or her artwork. Yes, definitely. I'm from India, and in India, as everyone knows, it is a diverse culture and a lot of beautiful scenic places, and you get a lot of ideas from there. Not only culture and the places, but also there it has a hub of a lot of type of arts people do. Here we do have mural art, Mughal art, and a lot of things like mandala art and all those from different religions and culture. So in my painting, yes, I'm always inspired from a lot of places in India and the cultures also. I've done a Buddha paintings. I've just you have seen this Mughal painting before, and this one is for daily, daily based painting. It shows daily monsoon, and I have done Ganesha's painting. So a lot of things, a lot of ideas you get from India. It's a very typical question for me right now to answer because I've just started my venture, and I think it's too early for me to answer this question to have a book named on my life. So after some successful years, I may answer this question. And definitely, thank you. Yes, you all can visit my website, that is www.clayandcanvas.com. N is a small alphabet N letter N for Nepal, you can say. And you can also visit my Facebook page, that is Clay and Canvas. And is a special character in your keyboard. and for and also you can visit my Instagram, that is clay and canvas 81. In here it has small and because I didn't get the same names everywhere, so it is just like this. And in clay and canvas we conduct workshops, exhibitions and art competitions, and we organize events for everyone. So you can see all those workshops, events being updated on my website. Thank you. I think if someone does a very good, nice work, so it is always appreciated and get noticed. So I will advise all the struggling artists that they should do the good work. Always, never give up in your life, in any field, any type of artwork you are doing. Never give up. You can do the best every time, and definitely you will achieve success if you do it all by heart, your heart. Thank you.